Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to get API keys and tokens for Trello quickly and easily. First, open your any browser and type Trello API keys in the search bar and click on the top search result. Next, scroll to the Managing Your API Key section and click the blue link provided. This will open a new tab. After that, select I acknowledge and click Continue. Then click New to create a new power-up or integration. Now, give your integration a name, select your workspace from the drop-down menu, enter your email address, add your name in the author section, and provide a support contact email. Then click Create. Once your integration is created, click Generate a new API key. Your API key and secret key will appear. Make sure to save them in a secure place and do not share them with anyone. To generate your token, click the token link in blue. A new tab will open. Scroll down and click Allow to create your Trello account token. Copy and save it securely, and that's it. You've successfully obtained your Trello API key and token for integrations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.